Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You join me on this beautiful spring day. Today I'm going to do an oil change on the Vitpilen 401. And again, I am no mechanic, so do not take any other things that I do as canon. I'm just kind of learning as I go along, but I thought I'd share the experience with you. So here we go. Just gonna have a look at the manual to see if I have the correct points for drainage. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that there, so we're gonna go for the one that's marked number 1, and I believe that's an 18 mil, and we're gonna loosen that and then drain oil from there. It's gonna be a slow one. There we go. Got it. And there she blows. And the color of the oil is quite dark, isn't it? So probably was due a change. The bike has done 4,000 miles, or nearly 4,000 miles, so I'm not sure. I did get the bike secondhand, so I'm not sure when the last oil change was, so this might be well needed. And I think according to the manual we have another 2 or 3 bolts to loosen, or drain bolts rather. So we got position 3 as well. I think that's 3 there, and that's a 13. So if I bring it around to here, and this one here, and that one there, I'm going to focus, and just this one here. The next one we need to loosen up. Yep, we got it now. That one needs to go as well. Okay, actually, on the right. That was a lot of oil. A lot more than I thought anyway. Just leave that draining. I'll see you guys when it's finished. So just need to pull the screen out. A bit flaky. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we're getting to the end of the oil drain. Then we'll have to level the bike up and top it up again. Put the filter back in, replacement filter. Just gonna put the bolts in. And we're just getting over on the other side of the bike just to get the oil filter. Added P&N one as a replacement, so that should be quite good. Well, I don't know if that'll make a difference, but there's performance oil filter, so that's an extra 20 horsepower in my book. Gotta be careful not to drop this into the oil. Check it out if you ever doubted that the Husqvarna is a KTM. It's right there on the oil cap. Not that anybody would. Right, I think I got it. There it is. That old filter life. It doesn't look to have any sort of chunks in it, so I think we're good. Just leave the oils drain out a bit more. Oil filter is part number HF155. So here we go. Can filter part number 155. Here we go with the unboxing. Here it is. And then it just goes back in. And back in. Just get the covers back on. I'm not sure if it's meant to be oriented in a certain way, so I had a panic there, thought I'd lost the other belt. Now you see when the guys on the internet have those mechanical things, they just whiz it on. Okay. Need to give that a clean and then I think we'll start filling. So first things first, I'm just gonna double check these. Make sure they're locked. The oil doesn't go pouring out everywhere. Okay. Oil time. I would do a Bluetooth pour as per John Ross. On YouTube, but I do not have the steady hand for that. There's 1.7 liters. Hopefully we've got the bike level. You can see the side glass. I need to get someone to help me pour it in. last one. I'm looking at the side glass. Just there. Maybe just a bit more. Probably just a bit more. The height isn't perfectly horizontal, so I think we're there. A little bit more or less upright. Well guys, that was fun and confusing, a bit difficult at times, but I've done it. I've done the first oil change of the bike. Hopefully it'll run, but I think it will. I think it's relatively straightforward if you know what you're doing, but because it was my first time, I struggled a bit, but yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.